What up, my peeps? Hope you're having a good day today. Kind of have a smile on my face right now, an authentic, real smile, because I just bought my first two. I'm trying my shoe right now. Polka dots. They're cryptocurrencies. Polkadot. It's we'll just use the word ticker symbol so we all know that still is DOT, and it is the fourth leading cryptocurrency coin. It has been for a while, and it is a huge factor in the cryptocurrency world, along with Chainlink and Uniswap. Those are the other two are much easier to get. You can get those off Coinbase, but to get Polkadot you can't. You have to find it off of another party. And so I was going through Binance, I went through Exodus. I was able to buy some XRP. No, I didn't. I haven't bought XRP. That's on my next wishes. But I was able to buy Polkadot off of this. It's called Kucoin, KUCOIN.com. Kucoin, and that was the most easiest, user-friendly way to do it, I found, and I just did it. I'm so happy. Just know that there are so many security steps you have to go through just to get to be able to use the platform. Once then you're able to use the platform, you have to know how to use the platform to be able to buy what you need. And the way I see it, I've seen it go down is, one, they ask for your credit card or debit card, and that's if you're going to buy it just straight out of your cash. Or two, yeah, I'll be right there. Or exchange it. You buy a Bitcoin and then you exchange it for another coin. Or you buy an Ethereum coin and then you exchange that for some type of Ethereum-based token or coin. It's like a spider web. So you buy it from up here to get down to here to get these. But then there's a cost that you have to pay for to do this, and that difference is substantial depending on which platform you're using. So I hope this video is helpful and informative. I will have the information in the link below. So I hope you have a great day. You can follow me on Instagram at TuckerMLO and on YouTube at TuckNotes. Talk to you later.